welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ìféolúwa. If you are new here, welcome, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you. And in today's episode we'll be teaching about Yorùbá tone marks. In Yorùbá we have tone marks for our words. So, and everybody knows that in Yorùbá is a tonal language. It's a tonal language. So you have to understand the tone in Yorùbá, the tone marks, before you understand Yorùbá. So we have 3 tone marks, and we have do. We have do. That's the low tone. Ohùn ìsàlẹ̀. Low tone. Do. We have re. That's the middle tone. That's ohùn àárín. Then we have mi. Ohùn òkè. That one goes up. Ohùn òkè. That's the high tone in Yorùbá. So the Yorùbá language is a tonal language, and re, mi, do. In Yorùbá, a máa ń gbé ohùn sókè sódò. That's our voice, our tone go up, down, go up, low, high, middle, anyone that you want to use. So we have do. That's the low tone. Then if you want to say do. This is your right hand. You come from this place to this place. Do. From the right side to the left side. Yes, from the right to the left, or if you want to say from the this part, from the left to the right. So from the left to the right, do. From the left to the right. That's your right hand. If you want to say mi is from the right place, right hand to the left, right to the left. Or if you want to take it from the upper part, it's from the left to the right. That's your right hand is do. Your left hand is mi. And re, we don't have any sign for it, because before we have just normal dash for re, but now we don't have any sound, any mark for re. If you see any mark for re in any textbook, that means the textbook has been for a very long time, because now we don't use that for re again. We don't use anything for it. So I told us mi is the high tone, re is the middle tone, and the do is the low tone. So we say I'm okay, mi, I'm okay, mi, I'm okay. Then re we say is amihari, and do is amisali. So if you want to put this tone mark on words, you have to understand that in Yorùbá is syllable, and this syllable is you want to divide it into syllable. We have vowels. You divide it into vowels. The vowels that are there, that's what you divide. You don't divide it with the consonants. You divide it with the vowel sound that are there. So we say only syllable ni èké ọ̀rọ̀ tí èmi lè gbé jáde lẹ́ẹ̀kan ṣoṣo láìsí ìdíwọ́ fún èmi. So we say in English is if you want to put tone mark, you have to divide it into syllable. And syllable is the unit of pronunciation having one vowel sound. Because in syllable in Yorùbá, you divide it with vowel sounds. You don't divide it with consonants. So with vowel sound, with or without consonants, forming the whole or part of a word. So there are two syllables in water. So if you want to say water, omi in Yorùbá, you see it, omi. This is vowel. I told us in some of our last video the vowel sounds. So if you want to check the vowel sound, you have to go to my video that I've done. So omi, re, baba, do mi. We see do mi. This is syllable. This is the vowel. So we break it. We divide it into 2. That's do mi. So we put some mark on the vowel. I told us already, and I told us it's a word that it's a consonant. It's a syllable that you may put the sign language the tone mark, or you may not. So that's the only the consonant as a syllable that you put this tone mark, or you may not put it. So how many syllables are in this word? 3. igi, rere. I told us that you put the tone mark in the vowels that are there. So igi, that's 3. Then we see that it's 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then you divide it in igi. So we have 2 vowel sounds. That's I, which is the 2 syllables that are there. I told us the vowel sound and the syllables that are there. Ami, that's amen in English. Ami, ami, that's domi. Ami, a is a vowel, then I is a vowel. So ami, that's amen. 3 syllables in this word: adura, domido, domido. If you want to understand it well, you make sure it's vowel. The vowel that there, that's the ohùn silent, the one that is low, the low tone. Do, do, that's the mi, that's the high tone. Ra, do, that's low tone again. So adura, that's the prayer. We have 3 syllables in this word, and we have words in Yorùbá that are written the same way but different pronunciation. We have words, different words in Yorùbá. That's why you need to understand the tone mark. We have different words in Yorùbá that they have different pronunciation, but they are written the same way. And for example, we have igba. When we say igba, igba. If you do not put tone mark, we don't know, maybe it's calabash, maybe it's time, maybe it's 200 that you're talking about. So if you do not put any mark on it, we will not know which one of these words you are talking about. So igba, rere, igba, calabash, igba, that's calabash, remi, the vowel that are there, so it's me. So when you put it there, we understand that you're talking about calabash. Igba, that's the low tone, so it's time. And 200 igba, that's 200 igba. There's no sign. I told us today we don't have any sign for it. So when we come here again, we have ojo. So when you talk about this one, you just put this one there. We don't understand which one we are talking about. But when we see the ojo, domi, that's the name, domi, that's the low tone and the high tone. I told us you put the tone mark on the vowels that are there, and you divide into syllables through that, so that you know which one you are putting it. So rain, ojo, do. That's the low tone, do. So that's rain. And come here, ogun, rere. I told us there is no sign for rain, so rere, that's war. Then we have draw, ogun, do. Yorùbá land guys, ogun, domi, ogun. So we have ogun, remi, that's inheritance. What you inherit from your parents. In Yorùbá land, something like that happen when somebody died, maybe a father died, and give his property to the children. So inheritance, ogun, remi. I told us re, there's no sign for re, so that's why we don't put it here. Mi, that's it, I do. Thank you for joining us, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if there's anything you think you still want to learn, that these are the basics. We are starting from the basics. We are still going up there. So if there's anything else you think you want me to teach you, please type it in the comment section. Thank you very much. I love you.